Here we are with item SKU number 408281, Lightning 8-pin to USB charger cable connector. It is 1 millimeter and it is white. It came in this bag right here, and it took about a month to ship to the US. It was $2.97 compared to the $19.99 price tag that Apple sells it for. So for that price, you can't go wrong. It syncs and charges the same way the regular one does. And text compared to the original one, the white piece is a bit longer, and it's cut a little bit differently, but it's not a major difference. It's almost identical. And from the other end, the Apple made one is a bit smaller once again, and a bit more cube-like, but that's about it. Pretty similar, and great price.